everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lacey. I would love to have you hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my other fun videos that I will be posting here in the near future. Today's video is so exciting for me. I cannot even handle my excitement. I will be sharing with you a Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM unboxing. But I don't just want to show you a handbag. That is not the purpose I am making this video. The real purpose I'm making this video for is to remind you that you can obtain your goals and dreams too. Shoot for the stars, live with no limits, don't be afraid of your goals and dreams, and if they scare you, keep on trucking. Because you know, once you hit the mountain top of that goal and you accomplish it, you are going to be on this big high, this I did it. I conquered whatever stood in my way and scared me. And if you're like me and your goal takes you 8 to 10 years, that's okay. The scenic route teaches us all something. I can guarantee you that. And as long as you just set that goal, even if it takes you 8, 10, 15, 20 years, it's going to be that sweeter moment when you finally hit that goal. My husband was in school for 7 years. We've been together 8 years in about a week. That's crazy. But he is a doctor of physical therapy, graduated in May, and this is a goal that I set to own a handbag once he was done with school. That was the thing I wanted. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of it. I want to remind you, seriously, shoot for the stars and don't let anything stand in your way. Because whatever your Louis Vuitton Neverfull goal is, I want you to hit it. And I want you to share down in the comments below either something you've accomplished, a goal you have, or something you're working towards, whether it's school, a new car, a dream pair of pants, a dream bag, a house, anything. I want to know, big or small. And I want you to set goals. If you don't have goals really right now, set goals, set small ones, set big ones. Maybe it's I would like to earn $10 this week, or maybe it's I would like to help somebody. It's totally up to you. Goals don't have to be huge. They can be small, baby ones. Just set them. They help us grow. They make us who we are, and they give us something to live for. So right now I'm going to be unboxing this bag. This bag, you guys, I've dreamed of this bag, and I'm kind of like getting a little teary-eyed because truly, this means more to me. This means more to me than anything in the whole world because of all the things that you do to get there and to obtain your dreams and to obtain your goals. And holy crap, I'm crying because this day is finally here. I waited a really long time and I knew this moment would be sweet, but I didn't know how sweet it would be. Oh, FedEx. Oh, oh my gosh. Well, and to just tell you, this is a second-hand bag. I bought it used. So if you guys would like to see how I find used bags for a fraction of the cost, let me know down in the comments below as well. I would love to do a video about that for you. It's wrapped pretty good. Oh, it's even got a dust bag. It's not the Louis Vuitton one, I don't think, but oh. I feel like there should be music playing. You guys, this is the most unreal feeling. This is probably one of the top moments of my life, truly, to own this bag. I bought it used, so it's got a little wear and tear on it, but that's okay. I mean, the inside is like pretty much perfect. It's got a little like darkening on the outside. I mean, these holes are pretty much in perfect condition. I mean, seriously, you guys, it's a beautiful bag. Seriously, in almost pristine condition, and I did not pay full price for this. But I own this beautiful bag, and I want you to remember to shoot for the stars. because you can get your goals. Beautiful bag, perfect detail, a little darkening on the handles. It said it was in used condition and it showed a few flaws, but you guys, this bag is better than what they were stating online. It does have a little distinct smell. I'll have to kind of clean it out. It didn't come with a pouch, which is okay. The pocket kind of is a little bit peeling, but that's all right. I can always probably get that fixed, I think, or just peel the lining out. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But in all reality, I love it. I love this little detail that it will hold my keys. I've got a little liner coming for it to keep the bottom nice and clean. It's perfect. I love the handles. I love that you can cinch the sides up like this. Whew. And kind of push it in. It's kind of not working right now, but you get the gist. But yeah, this is my new Louis Vuitton Neverfull handbag. You don't have to pay full price for designer things, and I want to show you guys and remind you that even if you shoot for the stars and you have to buy, not have to, but you can buy a bag to make your money go a little bit further, that's okay. You can have an amazing bag or a car or a house or whatever you want. Shoot for the stars, you guys. I want to cheer you on, so post down below in the comments what your goals, dreams, and hopes or accomplishments are. And I also want to know if you guys would like to see but a way to get designer handbags for a fraction of the cost, like lower than half price. How I find them, how I look, what I look for, how to know they're authentic, and all of that. I want to know down below what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.